AI is a force to be reckoned with, but real use cases have been more elusive than we might hope. Not so in the world of operations, however. Operations is an excellent, real-world example of a category of use cases that AI is well-equipped to solve. Whether it's incident, performance, problem, event, or capacity management, you can count on AI to reduce your operational headaches, provided you've got the right data and the right algorithms behind it, of course. This video will introduce you to the AIOps Data Quadrant Champions from SoftwareReviews, brought to you by Infotech Research Group. If you're curious about the Data Quadrant, it's based entirely on buyer and user feedback. Our opinions don't matter. We ask those users about the features, capabilities, vendor relationships, and their overall satisfaction with vendors and products to come up with our scores, and then we make sure that more recent reviews are given more weight. No coasting on the past. The best products in our Leader Quadrant get a Champions badge. Make sure to check out our website for both the Data Quadrant and our emotional footprint evaluation. For this report, we looked at 15 products and collected 334 verified reviews. No fake people here. We covered the usual suspects like Splunk and ServiceNow and products from some smaller companies as well. 3 clear standouts emerged: Dynatrace, BigPanda, and New Relic. Let's talk about each of them. First, we have Dynatrace. Dynatrace has been in the game a long time, and it shows. Our respondents loved its quality and breadth of features, and it's near the top of the pile on business value creation. Across the features that define AIOps, like data visualization, incident and problem management automation, and data analysis, it's a no-compromise solution. User feedback is good as well. Users shout out its analytical capabilities, one called them mind-blowing, its dashboards for visualization, and its Davis Smart Assistant, useful because it can preemptively suggest fixes. Overall, an impressive 91% of respondents said they would recommend Dynatrace, and an even more impressive 100% plan to renew. Congratulations to Dynatrace on earning the much-coveted Champions badge. Our next champion is BigPanda. BigPanda is leaning heavily into the next generation of AI tools. It's got an agentic tool set that's designed to make life easier for incident managers and anyone who has to manage a CMDB. Basically, if you work in IT operations, you want to give BigPanda a look. You might like what you see. A couple of things that reviewers praise it for: tool agnosticism and explainability. If you have multiple tools in your complex environment, you do, this is especially desirable, and if you're wondering how the tool works, well, that layer of explainability is extra important. They also found it easy to integrate and easy to use, never a given when dealing with large amounts of potentially unstructured data. Making sense of the chaos is something that every good AIOps product should do. BigPanda is a leader in this space. With 96% of reviewers saying they'll renew, I'd say its Champions badge is well earned. Congratulations to BigPanda. Our final champion is New Relic. New Relic is a strong product with benefits across the AIOps stack. Customers give it strong scores on application request tracing, application metric reporting, and server monitoring, among other features, and it scores quite well on the breadth of its feature set and the ease of implementation and management. Our reviewers had a lot of positive things to say as well, calling out its application performance monitoring capabilities, which are a differentiator, its real-time analytics capabilities, and its comprehensive end-to-end observability. 86% of our reviewers report that they would recommend New Relic, and 91% plan to renew. As ringing an endorsement as ever there was in the software category as cutthroat as AIOps. Congratulations to New Relic for earning a Champions badge. So there you have it, our top AIOps vendors based on real feedback from real people. You can check out the full report at infotech.com. Happy shopping!